Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. So guys, we're a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state of Iowa in an area they call the Quad Cities. Our dealership's actually located on Highway 67, only 2 short miles off of Interstate 80. So we are super easy to get to and well worth the trip from anywhere to come check out our trucks, guys. Today I just got this thing in, man. I love these Tremors, man. This truck is awesome. 2020 Ford F350, so it's a 1-ton crew cab short bed Tremor, 6.7 diesel, and this thing is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful rig, all blacked out, inside out, tinted glass. I'll just give you a walk around. This thing's Carfax certified and ready to go, guys. So Tremor package, man, we get all the blacked out grille, the bumpers, the wheels, 18-inch black wheels, Wranglers there, might be a little oversized, good tread left on them yet. Again, 6.7 Powerstroke diesel. She is a 1-ton. You gotta love how they did all the blacked out emblems. We got tinted glass. It does have tow package with the power fold mirrors. Again, this is the short bed Tremor package. Got that I believe the factory cover on it. There's a big tow package there. This one has the power tailgate, spray and bed liner. Also has the pup package back there, wired all the way up for your trailer. It does have blind spot radar, 360 cam. Man, and then the inside of this thing, I love it. Black on black. We got leather bucket seats, power seats on both sides, nice console in the middle. Got the navigation, 360 backup camera, heated cooled seats. I got 2 sets of keys. I got the books for you, slider panel moonroof. This thing only has 85,000 miles on it. Carfax certified. Just clean, guys, inside and out. All stock emissions, nothing's really been changed on it. May even have a little factory warranty left depending on when it went into service. This would have came with a 5-year, 100,000 mile warranty. Could be up on the time, but nice truck, overall in good shape. I didn't see any big dents or scratches. A couple little light ones on the tailgate. I'll just point those out to you. I can get those in the right down here. I notice just, you know, little normal stuff, guys, but gorgeous truck. Again, Carfax certified, does have some service records come with it. Runs out, drives out perfect. It is a Tremor package with all the options, ultimate package on the inside. Don't miss out on this truck, guys. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com, T-H-I-E-L trucks.com. Got a bunch of pictures on there. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, get notifications when this stuff comes in. We do price it right, and it sells quick. We can offer shipping anywhere in the country. If you're from Illinois or Iowa, a little bit of Wisconsin and Minnesota, we can do some financing for you. So just give us a call, guys. Let's talk it out. 563-424-2000. Till next time, have a good one.